Soybean farmers have heartily embraced soil conservation and crop rotation to keep the land disease-free and productive. But a University of Georgia researcher told our Rick Treptow one disease is being researched that does $500 million in U.S. on-farm damage each season.
In the University of Georgia lab of crop and soil scientist Wayne Parrott, he's the university lead on a 5-year, $9.28 million grant with 13 other, mainly Midwestern universities. UGA is receiving over $630,000 for their part in the groundbreaking work to manipulate the genetics of soybeans to prevent major damage by at least one disease and several insects. It starts with greenhouse-grown soybean plants.
We bring them into the lab, and we take the tiny seeds out of the pods, and we put them on our growth medium, and they start to grow. The cells just start to grow. And these are quite amenable to genetic engineering, which is what's going on in all the plates that we have behind me.
After that, the artificial seed leads to these genetically engineered plants. The fungus being thought is called Phytophthora.
Probably the second worst disease that soybean has in the United States. The plant breeders can go so far, and where the breeders can't go anymore is where we step in with newer technology and try to take it the other way. We are focusing on soybean pests. The one that we have spent most time on is insect resistance. From this particular vial, we can get so easily 30 to 50 plants.
Researchers say resistance to soil-borne nematodes. Another part of this work has already given farmers cultural practices, including crop rotation, to use. However, EPA is canceling many chemicals farmers also use for insect resistance.
One of the issues in agriculture is that it's very rare for you to get something for nothing. You know, it's always a give and take. And we've had a lot of advances that have permitted, say, no-till technology, which has stopped soil erosion, and you use a lot less fuels for it and everything else. But on the other hand, their soybean pests have a better hiding place.
Working with the Institute of Breeding and Genomics, Wayne Parrott says there is a very consumer base tied to this critical research.
When I started at the University of Georgia 23 years ago, I had about 80 colleagues in my department, and now I think we're 28. So sometimes we don't have the necessary expertise on campus to do various parts of the research. And everyone has noticed how food prices are going up. And the reason is that the food demand is going up faster than agricultural research is. So we've neglected agricultural research for too long.
Is there a possibility for change? With state and local government budget problems, the answer now seems no. I'm Rick Treptow for the Georgia Farm Monitor.